Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a signature on email on Outlook using a Mac computer, the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to outlook.com and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is go to top right corner, cogwheel, settings, go to general, account, signatures, and here we can see that we have a signature on file. Let's now click on X to check the signature, click on new email, and here we have that signature preloaded in. Let's now quit that email, discard the message, go back to settings, account, signatures, remove the signature, delete the signature. Are you sure you want to delete the signature, admin? Yes, we are. Click on OK. And that signature now itself has been deleted from the system. Let's now open up a new email. And here we can see that the signature was not preloaded as we have deleted the one on file. In order for us to bring back a signature, we then have to go through the full protocol and create a brand new signature, save that, come back, create a new email, and the signature should be preloaded. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.